Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money using the Commerzbank app. First, unlock your phone and open the Commerzbank app. Wait a moment for the app to load. After logging in, you will arrive at the main dashboard. Now look at the screen and go to the home page if you are not already there. The home page usually shows your account balance and recent transactions. Next, find and tap on the Transfer Money option. In many versions of the app, this may appear as transfer or send money. Tap this option to open the transfer form. You will now need to enter the recipient's details. Start by typing the recipient's full name in the name field. After that, enter the recipient's account number or IBAN in the appropriate field. Check the numbers carefully before moving to the next step. Next, type the amount of money you want to send. Enter the amount clearly and confirm that it matches the payment you intend to make. In some cases, you can also add a reference or message for the recipient. Once everything is filled in, review all the information on the screen. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and follow any security verification steps requested by the app. Your money transfer will then be submitted. Thanks for watching.